News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am VC Pramod giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Maharishi Sandeepani Rashtriya Veda Vidya Pratishthan Ujjain, NTPC Limited, National Health Systems Resource Centre, New Delhi, University College of Medical Sciences, University of Delhi, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri National Sanskrit University, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi, Safdarjung Hospital and EarNet India. Applications from eligible candidates are invited for filling up of one post of Program Officer on deputation basis in Maharishi Sandeepani Rashtriya Veda Vidya Pratishthan Ujjain. Last date for receipt of application will be 45 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. For details regarding eligibility, pro forma for application, etc., please visit the website www.msrvvp.ac.in. NTPC Limited is India's largest integrated energy company with installed capacity of 68,961 megawatt and has presence in the entire value chain of the power generation business. Commensurate with our country's growth challenges, NTPC has embarked upon an ambitious plan to attain a total installed capacity of 130 gigawatt by 2032. NTPC is looking for 5 assistant law officers at EO level for its projects or stations. The candidates need to apply in online mode in NTPC for the post of Assistant Law Officer on the website www.careers.ntpc.co.in or visit Careers section at www.ntpc.co.in with their CLAT 2022 admit card number. No other mode of application shall be accepted. The email ID entered in the online application form must remain valid for at least next 1 year. No change in the email ID will be allowed once entered. All future correspondence would be sent via email only. NTPC will not be responsible for bouncing back of any email sent to the candidates. In case of any ambiguity or dispute arising on account of interpretation in versions other than English version given on the website www.careers.ntpc.co.in will prevail. Commencement of online application by candidates for NTPC is 15 June 2022 and last date for online application by candidates is 29 June 2022. Any further addendum, corrigendum or updates will only be published on the website. National Health Systems Resource Centre, New Delhi, on behalf of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, is seeking applications from qualified candidates for the following posts under Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission, purely on contractual basis. 1 post of Lead Consultant, 2 posts of Senior Consultant, 2 posts of Consultant, 2 posts of Consultant Finance, and 1 post of Program Assistant. The terms of reference with details of required qualification and experience is available on the websites www.nhsrcindia.org, www.mohfw.gov.in and www.devnetjobsindia.org. Last date of receiving of application is 17th May 2022. Applications are invited for 1 post of Scientist B Medical under the project entitled Medical College Level Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratory on purely contractual basis at University College of Medical Sciences, University of Delhi and GTB Hospital, Delhi for a period of 1 year. Last date of submission of online application is 31st May 2022 by 4 p.m. Complete details of the vacancies are available on the college website, that is www.ucms.ac.in. For any queries, please contact via email, that is vrdlucms@gmail.com. Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri National Sanskrit University invites applications from eligible candidates for recruitment to 1 post of Professor Education, 1 post of Professor Paurohitya, 2 posts of Associate Professor Education, 3 posts of Associate Professor Vyakaran, 1 post of Associate Professor Jyotish, 1 post of Associate Professor Advait Vedanta, 1 post of Associate Professor Vishishta Advait, 1 post of Associate Professor Yoga, 1 post of Associate Professor Dharma Shastra, 1 post of Associate Professor Sahitya, 1 post of Associate Professor Puran Itihas, 8 post of Assistant Professor Education, 1 post of Assistant Professor Paurohitya, 2 posts of Assistant Professor Dharma Shastra, 2 posts of Assistant Professor Advait Vedanta, 1 post of Assistant Professor Yoga, 2 posts of Assistant Professor Prakrit, 2 posts of Assistant Professor Sankhya Yoga, 1 post of Assistant Professor Ved, 1 post of Assistant Professor Vastu Shastra, 1 post of Assistant Professor Vyakaran, and 1 post of Assistant Professor Political Science. The eligibility criteria, post code along with detailed terms and conditions of recruitment can be downloaded from the website www.slbsrsv.ac.in. Any corrigendum or addendum shall be posted only on the university website. The closing date for submission of duly filled-in online application is 6 June 2022. The printout of the online application along with the supporting document shall be reached by post on or before 13 June 2022. A walk-in interview for 2 posts of Senior Research Fellow in ICAR-funded CRP project and PPV and FRA-funded project purely on contractual or temporary basis will be held on 23rd May 2022 in the Division of Vegetable Science, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi. For detailed advertisement, please visit the website www.iari.res.in. Safdarjung Hospital invites applications from eligible candidates in prescribed format to fill up the following posts on regular basis. 1 post of radio pharmacist, 2 posts of biomedical engineer, 2 posts of laboratory technician, 2 posts of biostatistician, 7 posts of radiographer, 1 post of projectionist, 2 posts of medical photographer, 2 posts of sanitary inspector, 1 post of housekeeper, 1 post of community-based rehabilitation worker, erstwhile multi-rehabilitation worker, 1 post of driver ordinary grade, and 1 post of urban leprosy worker. The duly filled application may be sent by speed or registered post along with attested copies of testimonials to the concerned authority within 30 days from the date of issue of advertisement in Employment News. For application form, details, information on eligibility criteria, process of applying, fees and general instructions or conditions, please visit website www.vmmc-sjh.nic.in. EarNet India intends to fill up 1 post of Senior Scientific Officer, 1 post of Junior Hindi Translator, 1 post of Accountant and 1 post of Personal Assistant, and 2 posts of Junior Assistant. Application must reach the concerned authority within 30 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in the Employment News. Eligible candidates intend to apply may refer website www.ernet.in for complete details regarding eligibility criteria, application form and other details. Any modification or amendment etc. shall be uploaded on EarNet website. Information about these vacancies have been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal entitled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday.
You are listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. You may email your opinion about this program at airnsttalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.